sveiki, su jumis Mission Impossible ir šiandien mes turėsime vieną gerą kelionę į Švyturio areną, kur vyks kažkokia tai ekonomikos ar paskaita ar paroda ir mes su jumis pabandysime ten viską pamatyti ir...
Yeah, Fresh Bud, aka Thugs, Blood in my house, I ran. If you maxed out, you can go to your band. You know it's going down. It's my time to lay down. They gon' play my record in every funky time. You can handle love it, but I'ma be a number one. Love me, diss me, play this, hate this. I'ma give it to you how you wanna take it, man. First you gon' get it, then you got it, then you don't want anymore. So could you please tell me why you do that for? In every place I go, man, they like, oh no. When they get to know me, they like yes. But when I tell them I'm 19, they're like, what? Man, it's okay. I know I'm young, but be ready, cause I'ma make a big bang. I'm up for rain, boy. I'm always laid back. Tell your DJs to play the shit back to back. Okay, drop it like it's a shout out to everybody. Your time keep on ticking to ticking the story. He ain't making it swag. But I win or whether you lose, but I win. Your time keep on ticking. I ain't tripping. Let's have a blast, let's have a blast. It's fire, it's fire. It's what? It's fire. Open your eyes wider. Yeah, I grind every day. I feel like every day is my beat day. Want my life to be better, to be better. Be what? To be better. Let's toast to the good life. Your time keep on ticking. I ain't tripping. Let's have a blast, let's have a blast. It's fire, it's fire. It's what? It's fire. Open your eyes wider. Yeah, I grind every day. I feel like every day is my beat day. Want my life to be better, to be better. Be what? To be better. Let's toast to the good life. I wanna have a blast, wanting to last forever. I'm open-minded, see my life is off the chain. Look at it, yeah, it's like a movie, so you can't watch it. And I'm the Black De Niro who thought I couldn't make it. Who didn't believe in me, who didn't have me? I'm IDOS, you remember me, punk ass, yeah, nigga. Yeah, I'm the young rapper, and I'm pulling the trigger. I'm a very all these motherfuckers, deeper, cause now I see clearer. It's the new era, I'm idols forever. I told you my life is up the chain, actually it's up the chain. Everywhere I am, no weather, cause I bring the heat, yeah. There you see, I ain't shit, but I'm the shit, I'm the kid, make you get it out of your seat. Time keep on ticking, I ain't tripping. Let's have a blast, let's have a blast. It's fire, it's fire, it's what? It's fire, open your eyes wider. Yeah, I grind every day, I feel like every day is my beat day. Want my life to be better, to be better. Be what? To be better, let's toast to the good life. Your time keep on ticking, I ain't tripping. Let's have a blast, let's have a blast. It's fire, it's fire.
Dabar mes gavome dalyvių korteles ir netrukus prasidės pristatymas visas grupės renginio atidarimas ir vėliau bus įvairių paskaitų, pavyzdžiui, kaip įkurti savo sporto klubą. Paskaita vyks 12 valandą. Manau, mes gal kai kuriuose paskaitose sudalyvausim, kai kuriuose ne. Ir žiūrėsim.
Miesto šeimininkas Vytautas Grubliauskas.
Labas rytas visiems. Sakau visiems, ne vien klaipėdiečiams, nes kiek žinau, tikrai yra čia pakankamai gausus būrys ir ne klaipėdiečių.
Nu va, mes grįžome iš paskaitos ir matėme, kiek žmonių susirinkę yra. Tikrai daugybė žmonių. Pažiūrėti, kiek ten yra žmonių. Operatorius mūsų šiandien Antanas. O, kažkas klaksi, karočią. Nu va, mes atbuvom vienoj paskaitoj. Sandros bandyti, ne Sandros, o koks jis vardas?
Simona Bandita.
Jo, Simonas Banditas, karočią. Ir dabar mes, nežinau, judėsim kažkur tai. Šiaip čia bus daug dar paskaitų, bet mes pasirinksim, kuriuose būt, kuriuose ne. Ačiū už dėmesį.